In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore archived projects in Asana. Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to restore archived projects in Asana so you can make them active again. Archiving is great for keeping your workspace tidy without deleting important work, and unarchiving brings a project right back into your active list when you need it. We'll walk through this on desktop, step by step. First, open Asana on your desktop and head to the workspace where the project lives. If you're part of multiple workspaces or organizations, make sure you're in the correct one before moving on, since projects are tied to a specific workspace. Give the page a moment to load so the sidebar and project lists fully populate. Next, look at the left sidebar and click Projects. This expands your projects area and shows the lists and tabs associated with your projects. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover over the left edge to expand it so you can see the Projects section clearly. At the top of the projects list, click Archived. This view filters the list to show only the projects that have been archived, which keeps them out of your active views but still accessible. Think of it as a storage shelf for projects you're not using at the moment. If you don't immediately see the archived option, check the top of the list for tabs or filters. It's usually right alongside your All or Favorites views. Now, click the archived project name you want to restore. This opens the project so you can review its details, tasks, and conversations. It's a good chance to confirm you've selected the correct project, especially if you have a few with similar names. In the project header at the top, click the small arrow pointing down next to the project name. This opens a menu of project-level actions. From that menu, click on Archive Project. As soon as you do, Asana will change the project back to an active state. You won't lose any tasks or history by unarchiving. It simply becomes visible again in your active project views. The project is now restored and will appear again in your active projects list. Head back to Projects in the left sidebar and switch out of the archived view to confirm it's listed with your active projects. If you don't see it right away, try refreshing the page or clearing any filters in your view. Also, keep in mind that you may need the right permissions to unarchive certain projects. If the option isn't available, check with your workspace admin or a project owner. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.